Units and their conversions is the second part. If you have not seen the first part, please go through it so that you will understand it better. So we have to change from meter to kilometer or miles to meter or square centimeter to square meter. These are in our daily life we come across this unit conversion. So today we are going to learn about the unit conversion. First we will consider the length. Length. What are the conversions related to length? We will take our scale itself. Normally what was the ruler? We used to draw lines and all. So normally whatever the scale available in India, we have 15 centimeter scale or small size scale. It's 15 centimeter. Now 1 centimeter, if you look at the scale, how many 1 centimeter equal to how many it is there? Is the small lines on this scale. So it is 10 mm. 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Now 1 meter equal to how many centimeters makes up 1 meter? That is 100 centimeters makes up 1 meter. Now if you want to write 1 meter will be in terms of millimeter. It is 1000 mm equal to 1 meter. So between the centimeter and meter is the 10 is the difference. No, I'll just write it. Okay. Now what is 1 kilometer? How many meters? 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. 1 mile also is what for a vehicle we'll say mileage. Actually it says kilometer, but still we'll say the mileage. 1 mile is a unit for distance. 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometer. Now we'll take 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeters. When you go to hardware shop, when we purchase nail, we'll say 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, like that. We should try to relate these units with our daily life so that you'll remember the values. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. Then in the cricket field, cricket pitch, we will measure in yard. 1 yard equal to 91.4 centimeter. 1 yard. From the distance from the bowler to the batsman, that is 1 yard equal to 91.4 centimeter. One more unit is there, that is the 1 foot. 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeter. I am writing all these in centimeters so that we can change whenever you need meters or millimeters, you can convert it. Now we'll see the second one. Whatever the regularly we use, I write only those units. Things is we'll take area. One example for area. Now area, if somebody says area is 1 square inch. 1 square inch. If you want to write it in centimeters, how do we write it? Area, how we will get area? Let us assume that we have a rectangle. Rectangle or a square, we'll take it. Okay. Assume that it's a rectangle, we'll take it. Length into breadth will multiply, then you will get the area of this rectangle. So now 1 square inch he has given. 1 square inch means we have to convert it into centimeter. So we should get in centimeter square or square centimeter also. See, when you say centimeter square, this is equal to writing as square centimeter. Both are same. Now what I do? I know 1 inch equal to what? That is 2.54 centimeter. But it is in centimeter square. So again, if you multiply it by 2.54 centimeter, I will get 1 square inch equal to what? That value comes to, so this how if you don't, you need not to by heart the square inch and all. From the basic, you have to write the square inches, whatever the somewhat derived kind of things. So this value comes to 6.4516 centimeter square, or else I can write it as 6.4516 square centimeter. Both are same. Okay, that is in the case of area. Now we'll go to the next quantity, that is third one. Which is the third one? We'll see volume. Volume. Okay, 1 liter. 1 liter will volume. What we'll say? 1 liter is there. 1 liter. I think all of us are familiar with these all units. 1 liter equal to 0.22 gallons. This is another unit. 0.22 gallons. So which is a bigger unit here? Gallons is the bigger units. So 1 liter if you take, it is equal to only 0.22 gallons. And 1 gallon equal to, see once we know, so see once you know it's equal to 1 liter equal to 0.22 gallons. So 1 gallon equal to how much? See, 1 gallon. Somebody will ask 1 gallon equal to, that's a question, how much? How many liters? 1 gallon equal to how many liters? So what you do? You take you need not you should know only one only. You just put this as x and then you will cross multiply. We'll do the cross multiplication to find this value. So what it comes? So 0.22 x equals 1 we will get. So x is the how many liters we will get. X value is the how many liters, that value 1 upon 0.22. If you do this, we will get 1 gallon equal to how many liters. So that comes to 4.546 liter. So if we know 1 liter equal to 0.22 gallons, we can easily find out how many liters makes 1 gallon. Okay. So that's about the volume. All so many units, many still more units are there, but not required. All are. I'm not going through all. Okay. Now we'll see what is there. Then we'll come across weight. 1 kg equal to 0. No, 1 kg equal to how many pounds? 2.205 pound. Pound is a British system unit. This one I explained in the first lecture what these are. So please go through it. Then you will get a better idea of this. 1 kg equal to 2.205 pound. Okay. Now what else is there? Now what we have to do? 1 kg we have. Now what is 1 pound? Okay, 1 kg we can write it in gram also. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams will make up 1 kilogram. Now 1 quintal is also, this is the 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. 1 ton. This ton, when you say 1 ton, This TONNE, this ton equal to metric ton, and this is equal to 1000 kg. It is metric ton. It is in metric ton. And one more ton is there, that is 1 ton. This is the British system, and this is equal to 1016 kg. And what is 1 pound? 1 pound, I hope you know how to find out, because 1 kg, 2.205 pound. So 1 pound equal to, I'll write it here, 1 pound equals 0.4535 kg. So now we know the weight conversion also. Most of the conversions as I mentioned. Now we see some generally what are the other things we could expect. What if we have HP for power? We'll say 1 HP motor, like that. HP 1 HP 1 HP equals 735.5 watt. And in HP also you have to take care, this 1 HP 735.5 watt, that is the metric system. That is from metric system. Okay, this is the metric. So simply somebody say what is the HP, you should we in India we use metric system only. This 735.5 watts only. But in Britain they have a different HP, that is 1 HP. When they say 1 HP equal to, it is 746 watt. It is 746 watt. So simply somebody says this is a British system. Simply somebody says 1 HP, it means it is equal to 735.5 watt, unless they specify as it is a British system. Now there's one more unit called 1 Tesla. It's a unit of magnetic flux density. 1 Tesla equal to 1 Weber per meter square, which is equal to 10,000 Gauss. Let me write it properly. This is equal to 10,000 Gauss. Gauss, Gauss, 10,000 Gauss. Now, how 1 day equal to how many hours? All of you know 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. And what about, so now we have 1 hour, 60 minutes, we know. Then what is it? 61 minute. 1 minute. I was looking at the time. It's already 15 minutes going to be. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now, okay, this all we understood. Then there's one more important equation you should know. Temperature scale. One equation comes for temperature scale. For temperature. For temperature conversion, there is one equation for temperature. You have to remember this equation. C upon 5 equals, this C is the temperature in degrees Celsius. F minus 32 upon 9 by 100 is equation. F means temperature in degree Fahrenheit, equal to R by R upon 4. This is the temperature relation. R is the Reamer scale. Reamer scale. This equation we should know. I think now we have sufficient equations to solve our basic problems. I think anyway I'm going to solve some more problems. I think this video is going to be a half an hour video. If I make it as a different part, it may not be useful to you. It won't be so effective. So we'll try to solve some problems. Okay, this is the first problem. Question is convert. This question was asked for an instrument mechanic and tool and die maker and refrigeration and AC. So it's a common question, I think. So we will try to solve this question. Convert the following. So 20 square feet. The first one is the 20 square feet. 20 square feet. We have to convert it into what? We have to convert it into square meters. To square meters. To square meters. Now, so how do I convert? One square feet equal to what? We already learned 1 square feet equal to what? 1 foot equal to what? 30.48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. Right? 30.48 centimeter. Yes, it is 30.48 centimeter. And also let me check. I should not teach you wrong. Okay. Okay. 30.48 centimeter. Now, this is square feet or square meters. So if you convert this to meters, what do you get? If you divide centimeter by 100, you will get meters. So it is 0.3048 meters. Now, what is the thing what we have to do? We have to the 20 square feet. We have to convert it into square meters. So 1 square feet equal to what? 0.3048 meter. So here we have square meter. So we have to multiply by once more 0.3048 meter. If you multiply this, what is the answer comes? The answer comes to 1.858 square meter. Square meter means, or I can write it as meter square. This is equal to 1.858 square meter. Also we can write it as. See, whenever the area comes, I will multiply by two times. This conversion factor I will multiply two times. If it's a volume, I will multiply three times. So this is our answer. Now the second question, we have to convert. What you have to do? 1200 cubic centimeter. We have to convert it into cubic inch. Cubic inch. Right. Now cubic centimeter. Now 1 inch equal to how many? Now we have to know 1 inch equal to how many centimeters. But what we know? We know 2.54 centimeter equal to 1 inch we know. But what we need? We have to convert it into inch. So now 1 centimeter equal to how many inch we have to find. So this we will take it as x. Then what we'll do? We'll do the cross multiplication. So 2.54 x equal to 1. So x equal to what? 1 upon 2.54 is equal to what? 1 upon 2.54. Let me do it with calculator. 1 upon 2.54. It comes to 0.393. It comes to, so 1 centimeter equal to 0.093 inch. Okay, now what is the thing? What we have to do? We have to convert 1200 to 200 cubic centimeter to cubic inch. Now what I will do with the conversion factor, I will multiply 3 times. That is 1200 multiplied by 0.393 multiplied by 0.393 because it's a volume. That's why I'm multiplying 3 times 393, 0.393. So it comes to, let me do it, 0.393 multiplied by 1200. It comes to 72.8. 72.8, because I am not taking the fraction part more. That's why it's coming 72.8 value I'm getting. It is equal to cubic inch. Cubic inch. Okay. Now what else is there in the question? We have to convert 140. This first two over. Third one. We will go to the third one. Third one, what is that? 526 microns to mm. 526 microns. 526. One second, let me write it properly. 526 microns to mm we have to convert. Now, what do you mean by 526 microns? It's in micro. So 526 we can write it as 10 to the power minus 6. Minus 6. This again we can write it as 526 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this minus 3 will give us mm. 1 minus 3 is equal to mm. Okay. So this is equal to 0.526 mm. 526 mm. So now you see, if you want to convert, this is in mm. If you want to convert 0.5262 micron, what you do? You will multiply by 10 to the power minus 6. Not minus 6, you have to multiply by 10 to the power 6. Is it right? No, I'm not going it, because even I am having little bit doubt. We'll solve it. Next class we'll solve it one more problems. Now we'll see the last problem. That is the 140 degree Celsius. 140 degree Fahrenheit we have to convert into degree Celsius. 140 degree Fahrenheit we have to convert it into degree Celsius. So already I told you one equation. What was that equation? C upon 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. One more Reamer scale I'm not writing, but it's better to write. Okay, to know, learn. Now, C, what is the value? C we have to find. C upon 5. F, we know F he has given 140 minus 32 upon 9. Upon 9. So C upon 5 equals 108 upon 9. Upon 9. Okay, 9. Let me write it properly. 9. So it gives C upon 5 equal to what it comes? 108 divided by 9. So 90, 12 we should get. We should get 12. Correct. 9, 10, 10 nines are 10, 90. Then plus 18, 12. So C equal to what? C equal to 5 12s are 60. It is 60 degree Celsius. We got the temperature C equal to 60 degree. Okay. 60 degree Celsius. So I wanted to solve 2-3 questions more, but today I think I don't want to make more than a 20 minutes video for you. So let me wind up. Tomorrow we will have one more part. There I'll solve some electronics mechanic questions. Some few questions we'll solve it, so that this topic will complete. Any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thank you.